Welcome back to ChainFinance, your home for advanced blockchain knowledge, simple explanations, deep concepts, and the future of Web3. Today we're breaking down a massive topic. A topic driving the next era of scaling. It's called data availability, and it is the foundation of modular blockchains. Let's break it down clearly. Every blockchain has three main jobs: execution, settlement, and data availability. Execution runs the transactions, settlement finalizes the results, and data availability publishes the data, so anyone can verify what happened. Without DA, blockchains cannot be secure. That's why this matters. Today, most chains are monolithic. They do all three jobs together. This works at small scale, but breaks at massive scale, because doing everything at once creates bottlenecks, high fees, and heavy node requirements. Ethereum is moving away from this model toward modular architecture. In modular blockchains, each layer does one job well. Execution happens on Rollups, settlement happens on Ethereum, and data availability is handled by specialized layers. This increases efficiency, reduces costs, and unlocks real scalability. DA is the missing piece. And now, it's finally here. The first big DA innovation is Celestia. Celestia is a modular DA blockchain. It does not run smart contracts. It does not execute transactions. It only publishes data and makes it available to everyone. This laser focus makes it extremely efficient. Thousands of rollups can post data on it at a fraction of the cost. This is Celestia's power. Celestia uses data availability sampling, also known as DAS. DAS allows light nodes to verify data without downloading everything. Nodes only sample small chunks and still guarantee safety. This makes the network super scalable. Lightweight nodes, massive throughput, and high security. The second big DA player is EigenDA, built on top of EigenLayer. It uses Ethereum restaking for security. Validators restake ETH and provide data availability work. In return, they earn rewards. EigenDA becomes a shared DA marketplace with Ethereum-grade trust and customizable performance, perfect for rollups. EigenDA offers fast throughput, lower costs, and flexible configurations. Rollups can choose their own DA committees, tailor their own performance needs, and scale independently, all while leveraging Ethereum's security. This creates a new class of faster, cheaper. So what does DA actually solve? It removes the biggest bottleneck in rollups. Today, rollups post data on Ethereum, which is secure, but expensive. DA layers reduce this cost dramatically, while maintaining verification and improving throughput. This means more rollups and better scaling. DA is the backbone of modular blockchains. It separates responsibilities, increases efficiency, and unlocks huge innovation. Celestia and EigenDA lead this revolution, with different models, different strengths, but one shared mission: scaling the future of Ethereum in Web3.